Hello guys, welcome to Segat Mazel Vlogs. I hope to be sogli bori hai, and yes, I have changed the name of my YouTube channel from Mazel's World to Susegat Mazel's Vlogs because I felt like I needed a change because 2 times ago no vlogs are coming, and the name itself like Segat Mazel vlogs is because I can't do vlogs like every day. So teka lagon I'm taking my own space and time to do this vlogs. Also, if you know and follow me, like माझं अनेक channel असा त्याचे नाव जावन आसा Miss Mazel. So I have recently started with podcast. You can check those videos, like दोन podcast आले आहे सद्याक. I have already shoot some more, but I need to edit आणि upload them. So you can check them out, and description and link घातलेले हा. You can go and check, and don't forget to subscribe if you like it. Also, UK सोडून येयलेल्याक हांवें आनी ब्लॉग्स घालूंक नाय. Like mostly I have put UK vlogs only. आणि आता I did not add any more vlogs because first it was that after coming back from UK, my phone was flooded with photos and videos, and even after having so much cloud space, Zaina Hale, my phone was getting hanged and all stuff because there was a need for a new phone. So new phone ke paas hai hello maka. So I bought a new phone recently, like last month. So now I have a new phone. So now I can do some more vlogs and videos, which I'll be doing. Like I'm thinking every week I'll put video डालता I'll try my level best. That's why the name is changed to Segat Mazel Vlogs. Okay, and you'll see everything same. Maybe my normal lifestyle, and where I love to travel, the food I eat, and everything I do in between. Also, I have something in mind to add more on this vlog, but it will take a little time for me because I chitla de korpak, but it's not yet uh, finalized. So I will wait and if it really works for me, then I'll be adding this segment and I will let you know what I'm gonna do. So for now, this vlogs are gonna come. Ek खबर हा that about UK's experience, the holiday koshi गेली पोयती बी सगली. I'll make a separate video of that. It was really good. I mean, that time Carlo in UK. It was almost more than a month, I think, and we had a great time. But let me tell you in detail, magir separate video kottale about the experience, the vacation in UK. I जाऊन असा 25th of November आणि exactly एक महिना असा उरलेलो for Christmas. Christmas is coming really fast, and if you know me, I love Christmas. You know everything about Christmas. There's also told this, and everything around it is so good. Like there's so much happiness, and there's so much joy and sweet and everything, lights and everything. So I love Christmas. I can't describe. Also, if you know me, Christmas is one of the most wonderful time of the year, and it's my second favorite time of the year. First is my birthday, so I love my birthday time, and because everyone pampers you that time. I'm going to start my decoration start maka at home, but a small problem is the walls are stained, like जीवन थोडे colors लायलाय आणि किती रट्टी जाल्ले हाय, and some part is stained by the rainwater. Okay, सारखे stain जाल्ले हा. So just 2 rooms I need to paint. मातशे dirty जाल्ले हाय, so I wanted to get clean. The painter told me he's coming tomorrow to see. So मातशी लांबी बी काडटलो, and then he will start the painting work, and hopefully in 2-3 days painting work जातलो. And before it starts, I mean the advance starts, like starting on 30th, right? I hopefully it is done आणि हांव decoration start करून म्हणजे काबार करतले, and I'll show you the video of it. So for now, that's it. Guys, आता हांव editing ग्रुपा वयता. म्हाजो next episode हा पळयता पॉडकास्टाचो, which was recorded long back. आदी आता हांव करता तो editing आणि मागीर I'm going to upload it soon, and you'll get to see it. So for now, you can go in the description box and check it out. The videos already post केल्ले हाय पळयते, upload केल्ले हाय पळयते. Like I have got 2 podcasts already, so also check koray. One is with the 7 Notes band, and one is with the doctor, a pediatrician. जाणे खूप इन्फॉर्मेशन दिला ऑन चिल्ड्रन भुरग्यांची हेल्थ टिनेजर्स हेल्थ यू कॅन गो अँड चेक इट आउट आणि तुमकां व्हिडिओ आवडलो जाल्यार दुसऱ्यांकूय शेअर कराय ओके आय सी यू इन सम टायम बाय बाय आय शो यू माय क्लोजेट रायट नाव तर त्याची हालत पळय आख्खे मेस्ड अप जाल्ले हां सो आय नीड टू क्लीन दीस क्लोजेट ऑफ मायन वे हाव यू लायक इट सो आय नीड टू declutter some things so kotta soglet already I start kela a section already start kelle ha then I need to go here and that area is my shoe section so tumu dakhayta ha sogle so sogle kotta ta start once I do it I'll show the video how clean it looks eyes amka ek rose ha as you know we have a rose band called tamri rosa eyes rose ha amka agasai so eyes evening hinga was pazai ते काडपा जाय म्हाका कॉस्ट्यूम घालपा आहा तें आनी मागीर आय शो यू सम जिस्ट ऑफ हाव यू डू द रोज आनी तुमकां मागीर मेवता हांव सो आतां सद्याक आतां हांवें कोत्ता सारकें ऑल दीस मेस सो माय ड्रेसीस आर हियर आनी सगळे आख्खे मेस जाल्ले दिश्टी पडटा तुमकां सगळे हिंगा एंड देन हिंगा सगळी बॅग्स हाय हिंगा सगळी बॅग्स हाय आनी हिंगा थोडी बॅग्स हाय आनी टू पूट दॅम प्रॉपर थोडे रोप सकयल हा हांवें घातलेलो हा सो ऑल दीस ड्रेसीस आनी पॅन्ट्स आनी दीस आनी दॅट नीड टू चेंज ऑल्सो माय लवींग हजबंड ही वॉन्ट्स some space for himself so all section ha teka dila hai like all his shirts and suits and something behind this also okay so I start kotta ata take some time and magi ta jopa koitale so tumka mai meta bye
Keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now.
guys so I at this tiles shop and bought some tiles for the pool so tekala orpailali ami inga and I was doing my closet tumka hover I was putting my clothes in place but it is down because there are so many clothes and I couldn't finish it on time so that's why I'll be doing it like soon थोड़े जाल्ले हाँ complete but some things are remaining ते कोत्तले हांव but let's end this vlog here मेवया आमी next vlogan until then like korai subscribe korai and I'll see you in the next vlog before that as I said my Christmas decor हांव start कोत्तले म्हणून but that is coming in the next vlog obviously so I'll see you in the next vlog so keep watching Segat Maisel Vlogs. Bye.